Wondering what to stream this weekend? Let's dive into the latest OTT releases that will keep you on the edge of your seat. From prison dramas to family secrets and a runaway hippo, there's something for everyone. Let's break it down. First up, we've got Black Warrant, an intense new drama on Netflix. Created by Vikram Aditya Motwane and Satyanshu Singh, this show takes us inside Tihar Jail, one of India's most notorious prisons. We follow Sunil Gupta, an idealistic underdog who becomes a jailer. What he discovers in Tihar is shocking: corruption, in-prison wars, and harsh truths about the criminal system. The series is based on real events and the book Black Warrant: Confessions of a Tihar Jailer. Zahan Kapoor makes his debut as Sunil, joined by a stellar cast including Rahul Bhatt and Paramveer Singh Cheema. If you love gritty real-life drama, don't miss this one. Next, head to Netflix for Asura. Set in 1979 Tokyo, this Japanese series follows four sisters who discover their father's affair. The revelation unravels years of bottled emotions and tensions. As they deal with their differences, the sisters' journey is filled with conflict, growth, and profound connections. Directed by the acclaimed Hirokazu Koreeda, Asura is a reimagining of the classic family drama like Asura. Expect stunning performances from Rai Miyazawa, Machiko Ono, and Yu Aoi. A deep dive into family dynamics, love, and betrayal, this one's a must-watch for drama lovers. Looking for something totally out of the box? Check out Pepe on Mubi. Inspired by a real-life hippo who escaped, this shape-shifting adventure is a Silver Bear winner. Pepe tells the story of the first hippo ever killed in the Americas. From his time as a pet to his life on the run, the film takes us on an eclectic journey through timelines and planes of consciousness. Directed by Nelson Carlo de los Santos Arias, it's a mystical and violent story told in a truly experimental way. If you're in the mood for something completely different, Pepe is for you. For fans of supernatural mysteries, Goosebumps: The Vanishing on Disney Plus Hotstar is perfect. David Schwimmer stars as Anthony Brewer, a former professor turned amateur detective. Set in Gravesend, Brooklyn, it follows twins Cece and Devin Brewer, whose dad investigates the mystery of their missing uncle and his friends. Were they killed by ghosts, or is there something even more sinister going on? If you love R.L. Stein's books, this one's sure to bring back memories of creepy stories with a chilling twist. And finally, for some gripping police drama, catch On Call on Prime Video. This show explores the lives of two officers, a veteran and a rookie, on patrol in Long Beach, California. Shot in a documentary style using handheld cameras, the series gives us a raw and real look at the morality of law enforcement. Troyan Bellisario plays the veteran officer struggling to find her place, while Brandon Laracuente stars as the ambitious rookie learning tough lessons about the job. It's a must-watch if you're into police dramas with a deep dive into the human side of law enforcement. So what are you waiting for? Grab your popcorn and stream these shows this week for a mix of thrilling, heart-wrenching, and mind-bending entertainment.